Hi everyone, today I'm going to go through the latest gimbal from Zhiyun Smooth Q2. This gimbal is really compact in size and can fit in any pocket easily. It also comes with a quick release plate for the smartphone. The setup is pretty straightforward and can be done in less than 5 minutes. This unique locking mechanism keeps the gimbal in place when I'm not using it. The smartphone clamp is large enough to fit most smartphones on market. However, I do recommend to remove the case, as the clamp doesn't work too well with very thick foams. It's important to do proper weight balancing to get the best result. Here I'm trying to get the phone stay steady and level with ground. Hold the power button will turn on the gimbal. Press the joystick to change modes, and double press the joystick to change mode in reverse direction. Move the joystick for manual controls. We can just manually rotate the phone anytime for portrait mode. Press the power button 3 times for selfie mode. The battery is removable and can be used on other devices. Here I will go through all the modes Smooth Q2 supports. In locking mode, all 3 axes are locked and can be moved using joystick. In following mode, roll axis is locked, tilt and pan axis will follow. In POV mode, the gimbal will follow on all 3 axes. In Vortex mode, I can take 360-degree video easily. Here I'll be showing a few videos I took using Smooth Q2. Vortex mode is really interesting if you want to add some fun into your video. Here I will be showing how good is the stabilization from Smooth Q2. Smooth Q2 does a really good job even when I'm running. Overall, I think the Smooth Q2 is a huge improvement over the original Smooth Q. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.